I'm riding this afternoon to a motorcycle and hot rod show at Javelina Harley Davidson, just outside of San Antonio. The owner of this Harley shop moved into San Antonio many years ago, and I bought my first Harley from him. His name was Hal Gottsacker. 1989. I still have that Harley, but it's sort of in storage. I retired it, decided I would move over or up to this Yamaha FJR 1300. Almost 100,000 miles on that Harley. I had some of the best times in my life on it. But I guess as you get older, you get tired of some things. So I got tired of the culture. I got tired of the inclination of Harley riders not to wear protective gear. And the whole kind of Harley cult. And the noise. My bike was big. I spent a lot of time and money souping it up. I had a 107 cubic inch S&S engine in it, a lot of other modifications. I always said I wanted a bike that would scare me. And that bike came close to scaring me from time to time, but this civilized bike that I'm riding right now with cruise control and all kind of electronic equipment, and it's quiet, just hums like a little sewing machine. This bike scares me. This thing is so fast, it'll run circles around my Harley. So anyway, I'm going up here to the hot rod show to check things out and visit some friends. Some very nice people I met at a hot rod show a few months back. I have a hot rod too. It's a 1929 Ford. I put it in shows from time to time. And one of the first shows, these folks were there. Little 32 Ford truck that he built from the ground up. It was a rusted old Hulk out in the field. He spent 15 years on this car, and it's really something. So we'll go back there and take a look at it and the other cars right now. Well, there's my friends.
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie. Shooting some video here. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good to see you.
Hey, Pat, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, how you doing? This is my uncle, Jim.
Hi.
How you
Nice to meet you. I got my video camera running here. I hope I don't have to get a release from you, right? No, okay, good. Bob, how you doing?
All right, buddy. How you doing?
I got my camera going here.
I know. So keep moving.
No, that's all right. No, that's all right. I cut and edit, you know. Which, you got your car out here?
That new one right there, the white and blue. The
Yeah.
new one.
Oh, you have this another one?
My wife bought it for me for Christmas.
Oh, gee.
She's a great wife.
I'm telling you.
Well, unless we rephrase that, she allowed me to buy it for Christmas. But but it's a 2016 GT350, which completes my collection.
2016. Wow.
Just came out with it.
Let's put it on video. Or
Yeah,
show it
Matt,
to
I'll
them.
write that down.
Yeah. Hi, Bobby.
Yeah, silver and black.
Got you on video here. He just told me about his new car.
Yeah.
I'm so jealous, you know, I just can't stand it.
You have a nice.
Yeah, I have a nice one, but I don't have these kind of toys.
Well, save up your money and get one.
I don't think I could save up enough. I don't think I have enough time left. So I'll get y'all on video.
If you go